Today we will be testing a buy-sell signal indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a buy-sell signal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 531 different strategies, with 157 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a buy-sell signal indicator. And so the source video says top traders use this 99% accurate buy-sell signal indicator daily. And so it's quite a claim. I highly doubt that this is going to be able to achieve a 99% win rate. That is an extremely high win rate, and almost no strategy or indicator is able to achieve that. Now we've gotten really close with a position management strategy that we teach all of our patrons, which will give you the closest to a 100% win rate that you're going to be able to achieve, and even that isn't 100% win rate all the time. Now, of course, we're going to put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it and see if we can get some profitability and test the claim if we can get a 99% win rate. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the long short DOM indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the QKAMA clarity trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and both of these stay on the default settings, so no need to make any modifications. For a short trade example, what we are looking for is we are looking for the red arrow like this here from the clarity trend indicator. We're then going to look down to the long short DOM, and we want it to have the darkish purple histogram bars to the downside like this here. It's going to be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see how it takes just a little bit as we slowly creep our way down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is the green arrow like this here from the clarity trend indicator. We're then going to look down to the long short DOM, and we want it to have a green histogram bar like this here. So once those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here, put our stop just right below. Let's get our trade back there. Stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, this one pushes down, gets close to our stop, avoids it, and then makes this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 50% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. It means that your total loss would have been $10,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $5,000. And so was it able to maintain the 99% accuracy according to the source video? No, it was not. But did it do rather well? Yeah, it did. Not bad. 50% win rate. That's not too bad at all. Now, during the same period of time, we did 28 trades altogether with the Academy Forex Indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $13,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's going to put us at the end of the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.